today's video, I'll be doing an acrylic freestyle design. For that, I have prepped my nails, applied tips and applied a base of clear acrylic. Now I'm going to play with all these colors. These are all custom made colors. Only the glitters, I mean this one and this one are from Bon Petit. All the others are mixed by me. Then I will start the design, but I didn't have any design in mind. All I knew that I have to flow with the whatever came in my mind, with whatever came in my mind. So it will be difficult for me to explain that what I am doing. So it's better you enjoy the design, you enjoy the full video. I will catch you later. Sorry, I'm out of frame. Just forgive me for that. But now I will be inside the frame. See? Now the only thing I can say is that if you want to do this type of designs, then use a small brush and take small amount of acrylic and give small strokes. Then the design will be revealed completely. You will get a very good and healthy design. When required, you can change the brush. You can change it to the higher size, bigger size or a smaller size. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to follow this, and that just which you are comfortable in, you do that. That is the only purpose of our nail technicians are that to give it a good design and the nail should last long. Now I have encapsulated my design with clear acrylic and then filed and buffed, but unfortunately the footage I didn't get it because I forgot to record it. Anyway, now on my ring finger I am painting a design with gel polish, white gel polish. Then I'll be curing that in LED lamp for 30 seconds. And this is the most awaited moment for all the nail technicians, when you apply top coat after you have filed your designs and then after everything. Now the design is coming out, it's coming to life, and wow, the design came out so well. I didn't plan anything, I went with the flow. Whatever my mind said, I went on doing the design that way. I'm praising my own self. The design came out really beautiful. Now after curing this top coat for 60 seconds, I will apply the cuticle oil. Now while I apply the cuticle oil and massage it, you check out the revolutions. So how you like the design? Let me know in the comments.